A QR code is a type of barcode that can be read easily by a digital device, and which stores information as a series of pixels in a square-shaped grid. To make a QR code easily, we can take advantage of sites that have a QR code generator feature. In this tutorial, I will make it via the -barcode-generator.com. To make it easier to find what has been made on this site, it's a good idea to register first. The method is almost the same as we register on other sites. I will use an email address. Then check the inbox of the registered email address. In the message sent by the QR code generator site, copy the URL in the sentence "Sign in to the QR code generator." Then paste the copied URL in the browser. After successfully logging in, select Create QR Code. On this page, we can create a QR code from a URL link, free text, contact, PDF, application, email, phone, or SMS. And I will try to make a QR code from the URL of this YouTube channel. If the link listed is valid, then this site will automatically generate a QR code for the link. If it has been made, we can customize the QR code. There are several QR code options to choose from. In this tutorial, I will include this YouTube channel logo in the middle of the QR code. Touch the paint icon. On this page, we can make edits to the appearance of the QR code. To upload a logo, scroll down. Then import images. From the Customize Design section, we can set the size and margins of the logo. If it's good, select Confirm. To save it to the phone gallery, select the download icon. Create a file name. And then choose image format. I'll use PNG format with a size of 1000 px. After that, select Download. And is the QR code that I created earlier. To do the test, I will use the QR and barcode scanner application to detect it. See, QR code can be detected and converted into a URL link. That's how to make a QR code for free, without installing additional applications. And thanks for watching.